everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. So this week in my mini Decorate With Me, I'll be using these designer labels from Hobby Lobby along with the silver washi from Simply Gilded and this thinner washi from somewhere, and I'll be using these stickers in the Happy Planner book. So right now I'm going to go ahead and white out these lines because they're not going to go with the color scheme at all. So what I decided to do was to go ahead and use these date covers that were in the journaling sticker book from Happy Planner. And I really like this journaling sticker book because whether you are a happy planner or a traveler's notebook planner, I mean, they have so many amazing things that you can use in your spreads when you're decorating for the week. You know, I absolutely love the fact that it has a lot of different date covers as well as date dots, and I also like the fact that it does have the months of the year in just white with the black trim around the letters. So it's good because a lot of times in my traveler's notebook when I'm planning, I always forget to put what month it is. So this way I'll be able to use some of the stickers in this journaling sticker book from Happy Planner. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is to use this thin washi to kind of cover up where I have whited out. Every time I say whited out, it just don't sound right. Where I white out the lines anyway. As you can see, the white out is still peeking through because this washi is super thin. It's probably like a 2 millimeter. But as I decorate, you'll begin to see less and less of that white washi. But I didn't want to overdo it with the silver washi because I wanted to use this Simply Gilded washi just as a pop of silver, because the designer labels that I'm using from Hobby Lobby have enough silver accents. Plus I'll be using some silver stickers from the Colorful Boxes sticker book. So while I lay this washi, just kind of going through my process. As you know, I don't use a Happy Planner any longer to plan in, just because I found my niche in planning in and using a traveler's notebook. But I still want to be able to provide videos showing how you can decorate as well as be functional in your mini Happy Planners, because that's where I started. The mini Happy Planner was kind of like the prelude to me jumping into the traveler's notebook. I dabbled with the classic Happy Planner as well as a life planner through Erin Condren, but after going into a smaller planner, which was this mini Happy Planner, I really realized that I needed something smaller. And I think that's why I love my A5 so much. It's not as big as a classic, but it's not as small as a mini Happy Planner, but it is just right. So now I'm just using this doll sticker from Golden Plans Co. And these are some of her newer stickers. I believe this one is from the Style and Grace line, if I'm not mistaken, but I'll leave the link to her shop below in the description box. And you guys know I am famous for adding a girl sticker as well as my layering in my mini spreads, and I try not to deviate too far from that. I try to add some elements that are a little bit different, but for the most part my planning style is kind of solidified when it comes to my mini Happy Planner style. I don't change up too much, like I said, but I always find a way to add something a little bit different just to make, just so you won't get bored. Because I do believe that along with consistency, you always still have to make sure you're reinventing yourself to a certain degree, because you don't want people to get bored with your style. So for any of my content creators, whether you are new or been in the game for a while, that's just my little pro tip. Being consistent does not mean being boring. Try to add some different things in there. Ask your viewers what they want to see, so you can make sure that you are still giving your subscribers what they came to your channel for in the beginning. So these label stickers or designer labels that I'm using, they are heavier cardstock. They actually remind me of how Simply Gilded used to make her stickers. They were kind of thick, but you know, for decorating's sake, I really like the colors. I don't do a lot of spreads that are just silver, so I really wanted to use those stickers that had the silver foiling details in the flowers and in the trim. So this is all pretty much self-explanatory, just doing my layering with the box stickers. And you guys, I was really tempted to actually plan in this spread because it was so pretty. I feel like when I'm doing my mini plan with me's, I'm actually decorating them as if I was going to use it. But I really was really tempted to do some after the pen so you could see, but it's so pretty. I just left it like it was. All right, I'm back. I needed to take a break. For real, I tip my hat to you content creators that can talk through their whole video, and I give a double tilt of the hat to those that can actually record, decorate, and talk at the same time. Like, I can't do it. Like, one, I was out of breath because I felt like I was just talking too much, and I don't want to ramble in my videos, so that's why I do like to leave a little bit of breaks. Plus, I've had some of you say that y'all like my music, so I want to make sure y'all get a little bit of, you know, the beats in your ear while you're watching me decorate my spreads. But I will tell y'all this. I think I get more use out of my Happy Planner sticker books now than I did when I actually was using a Happy Planner. And I don't know if it's just because I know I'm not going to be writing on these stickers, because for the most part, when you are decorating your spreads, you're like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty, I don't want to write it. So you tend to hoard all the things because you don't ever want to use those stickers. But because I'm not writing on top of these weekly decorates with me, it really doesn't bother me too much to use all of my stickers. Plus, this helps me to stop hoarding. So this wellness sticker book, it is life. Like, I could not find them anywhere in Richmond, but my best friend, my sister, married to my Martha, she found them for me. She got it in the mini and the classic size, and I'm super appreciative of her doing that, because these colors in this wellness sticker book matches pretty much my overall taste and color when it comes to decorating. I love the pastels, the rose colors. You know, I love anything that's purple or lavender. And these stickers went perfect with the stickers that I'm using from Hobby Lobby. So now I'm just kind of looking through, trying to find some other little elements to add on. But for the most part, I'm pretty much done with this spread. Just want to add a couple of today stickers on the two little, I call them rectangle boxes, but I guess you would call those quarter boxes in the TN world. So I'm just adding some today header stickers on top of that, and just going through to see if there's anything else that I can add to this spread. Again, I feel like I'm going like all out trying to decorate this thing, and I'm not even using it. But what I didn't do in this spread, I didn't use date dots. And that's because a young lady gave me a suggestion. She was like, you know, since you're not writing in those spreads, you can go ahead and decorate them, so if you do decide to use them later, you can date them at that time. And I thought that was genius, because you never know. I might decide to go back to Happy Planner, or I might decide to use my Happy Planner for something else. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just lay a couple of these little hearts on the page, and I'm gonna also incorporate some coffee cup. And I remembered I had these cute coffee cups from Serene Planning. She has a shop on Etsy, so y'all make sure y'all check her shop out. She runs some nice sales from time to time, so you might want to check her out, because I did see some Hobonichi kits for all of my Hobonichi fanatics out there. I'm still doing the double dutch over top of that rabbit hole, so who knows. So I did want to add some script stickers to indicate the days that I have coffee, and these stickers come from Planner City Stickers, in which I am a PR girl, so make sure you check the link down below so you can use my discount code on her stickers as well as get my freebie. I have some really cute foil, gold foil freebies. So yeah, so Mondays is always my coffee day at Starbucks, and then Saturdays are also my coffee days, so I decided to use 2 of the Planning City stickers there. All right, you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed this Decorate With Me. If so, give me a big thumbs up and drop me a comment below. And if this has inspired you, please share this with your planner friends so they can also be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, Planner fam, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.